Several weeks ago, I went on a journey to witness a journey. Crane migration is an incredible phenomenon. On the migration route, including the location I visited, one bird was recently tracked throughout its entire journey, and it flew more than 2,300 kilometers in 16 days. In many parts of the world, crane species are endangered, and conservationists advocate for these birds, fighting to preserve the wetland habitats so vital to the crane's survival. In several European countries, as well as in England and Wales, some crane populations have been reintroduced, stabilized, or are recuperating. Even so, their current population remains far smaller than it was decades or centuries ago, and in other countries, the statistics are more dire. As sunset began and I descended from a hillside, I could already hear the voices of the creatures we came to observe. The cranes. Being near the cranes and hearing their din, I was put in a state of quiet awe at their resilience, sound, and movement. As the sun slipped below the horizon, church bells began to ring in a nearby village, mingling with the cries of the birds, seeming to signal both the closure of the day and the closure of early autumn. While the birds continued taking flight to some faraway destination, I returned to the warmth of my own home. Migration is an inherent part of life for so many creatures, including human beings. And though it differs from culture to culture and era to era, humans are all still bound to the same ancient drive for survival, which cycles according to seasons, climates, and our needs for water, food, companionship, safety. Humans and cranes alike can adapt or fail to adapt to the changing world around them. Reflecting on migration makes me think about instinct. That irrational, irresistible impulse that science or reason has yet to fully quantify for any species. What instincts drive my own behavior? What signals to me that one season of life is over or another about to begin? I am beginning to think that regardless of the origin or outcome, sometimes motion itself can be its own point.